When you first install XAMPP on Windows, there are a couple of security issues you might want to look at, and XAMPP gives you some tools to deal with them very easily. I've started up Apache and MySQL, and I'll click the Admin button next to Apache to go to the XAMPP home page. And from there, I'll go to Security. Take a look at these lines. These are evaluations of your security status. For example, XAMPP by default makes files available throughout the network, and you might want to lock it down so that only requests from the local machine are accepted. The MySQL admin user, named root, has no password. And there are other issues here too. I'm going to focus on the MySQL root password, which is blank by default. I'll go back to the home page, and then I'll click on phpMyAdmin. Notice that phpMyAdmin opens right away, without prompting for a username and password. I want to change that. I want my root user to have a password, and I'm going to use XAMPP's security capabilities to change it. Now, later in the course, I show how to do this from the command line, but XAMPP lets you do it much more easily. On Windows, it's a web-based interface. I'll click this link to go to the XAMPP security page, and I'll set a new root user password. I'll type it twice, and then to make sure that I can remember it easily, I'll check this option, and it'll save what I typed in a simple text file. Now, as it says, this is a security risk, but I'm working on my own local development machine. I'll click this button, and the password is changed. Now, I'll go to this folder, c:\XAMPP\security. I'll copy that to the clipboard, then press the Window key and R for Run, and I'll paste that in, and then press Enter to get to the directory. Notice that the directory name isn't quite accurate on this page. It says that there's another security folder under there, but there really isn't. But this is where the file was created. And I'll open the file in a text editor, and it shows me the root username and password. Once I'm done with this, it's a good idea to delete it. Now, I'm going to close my browser and return to the XAMPP control panel, and this time to get to phpMyAdmin, I'll click the Admin button next to MySQL. And this time, I'm prompted for a username and password. I'll type in the password I just set, and click Go, and I'm in. So, the Windows version of XAMPP makes it very easy to make this change through the web-based interface. You can do the same thing with the Mac version of XAMPP, but it's a command line interface, and I'll show you how to do that in another video.